This is what I was talking about in the Caprahenia 2 equipment compartment, where I'm going to put a flight controller. This is the 765 wing with pins on it. And you see if I put it in that equipment compartment, down flat. There we go. And as far to the left as it will go. Whoops. Boy. You can see if I put pins on it and put connectors on it, there's just no way to put the top on the equipment compartment. Just not enough room to close it up. And see, there's a secondary problem too. The 765 wing is pretty big, actually. And perhaps I should have soldered up the ESCs with the wires through the hull here. No, I'm going to have to make that hull big enough to get an XT60 or all four of these wires through there, and then some other wires going to the equipment bay on the other side. And see, there's the problem. The F765 wing that I soldered up to use in this model has no pins on it. I'm going to have to solder directly to the holes where the pin headers would go in, but it's still, you know, pretty big to go in this compartment. It will go in. And there it is, flat. If you can imagine the wires running to the left there. There it is in there, but I keep looking at this as I go through this. This wing isn't scheduled to be built up anytime soon. The Mini Talon and the Sky Hunter are both in build before this one, but I was getting stuff ready for this one. So there's the explanation of what's going on with the flight controller with no pins on it.